Hi everyone, welcome to the last part of the walkthrough for May-June 2019 exam paper 2. Okay, this will be the task 5 for presentation. Remember, we're skipping task 4, which is the mail merge, which will not be included in your exam. So we're going to start with the presentation. Okay, the first thing is, let's start reading. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slides should be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. Okay, and the question 33 is create presentation of 6 slides using the file j219lidday.rtf. Let's do that one first. Okay, we're going to open a file from our work folder, okay, which is, obviously you will know where that file is during the exam. Okay, I just need to find mine. Okay, make sure that all files are selected. If it's the PowerPoint, remember we're looking for an RTF file. It's not a PowerPoint file, presentation file, so we need to ensure that all files are selected. Okay, then the file that we want is here. Okay, so we open that file. Okay, create presentation of 6 slides. That's what we just did. On slide 1, enter your name after the text presented by. Okay, so we go to here. We just need to make sure you click on it and we enter our details. Obviously you're going to enter your own, maybe enter your center number and candidate number. Okay, so we'll be done with question 1 here. Okay, so that will be done, and then we're going to move to question 34. Use a master slide to display the following features on all slides. Okay, so we're going to use master slide. So let's go to open the master slide master. Okay, so because it wants us to we want to sorry, let's go back. Okay, use a master slide to display the following features on all slides. Because we want the feature to be displayed on all slides, we need to go to the main slide, which is number 1 here. Okay, so whatever change we make here, it will appear in all slides. Okay, so, and what do we want there? So your name, center number and candidate number, automatic slide numbers, and a call out box. Okay, so it doesn't really say exactly where to put them, so we're going to put them wherever we can. Okay, so the best place will be the footer. Okay, so we're going to go to home, we're going to go to insert tab, and we're going to press header and footer. Okay, when we press header and footer, okay, by default nothing will be visible. Okay, so you can make changes to footer, you can put your name, okay, you can put anything there. Okay, once you close your slide master, it won't be visible, because you need to make sure you tick the box in there, okay, for the slide master. All right, I'm sorry that you might hear some laughs and screams and noise because of lots of kids in the house. Okay, but it doesn't matter anyway, we'll just get on with our work. So yeah, we just need to make sure we're on the main slide. Okay, so whatever changes we put here, it won't be visible. Okay, unless when we put the header and footer, we need to make sure we click the footer, so that will make the footer visible, and we want the slide numbers as well, so we need to click there, so the footer will appear here. Okay, so obviously they want our details in the footer. All right, and we got the slide number, apply to all. All right, so sometimes it might ask you to put those details in every slide, so you can actually move the footer anywhere on your slide. Okay, it might ask you to put on a certain position. they might ask you to put the slide numbers on the top left corner, okay, or right corner. Okay, you can move them around. Okay, so we'll just leave it here for now. Okay, just leave it there. Okay, and so once I close my slide master, those details should be available. Okay, and obviously we need to enter a call out box as well. So we're going to go back to our slide master, go to slide master here. Okay, and the call out box is where the shapes are. So you go to home tab. Okay, so you can click here where the shapes are. Okay, here you will see call out. Okay, just choose the first one. Okay, because it's not telling you exactly which one to choose. Obviously sometimes they might ask you to choose a specific one. Okay, again, look, I closed and opened it, so just make sure the first slide is selected. Okay, so just select the call out box and just put it somewhere here. Okay, and just ensure your text boxes are not like overlaying on top of your call out box. Okay, so just make it like this. Okay, and so what we need to include in there, okay, so a celebration day of reading and writing, so that this will be in our call out box. And just double click and paste there. Obviously you won't be able to copy and paste, unfortunately, so you will need to type this. And it is saying in a large black font, so we'll just make sure this is large enough to fit in that box. So just gonna use that. Celebration day of reading and writing, that should be fine. And change the color of the font to black. And it also asks us to make sure the box is not filled. Okay, so just select the box and go to shape fill option and select no fill. All right, so just to make sure everything is working properly, just close your master view, and if you can see, okay, we've got call out box in every slide. We got our details and the slide numbers. Okay, so we are done with question 34. Obviously in the exam you can keep track of your progress by just putting a line on them. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just highlight the questions that I'm done. So I'm done with this one and done with this one and done with these ones as well. Okay, so we're going to go to question 35 now. In there it says format the last slide so that a title slide layout is applied. The title and subtitle text are centered in the middle of the slide. So basically we're going to go to the last slide and making sure, again in the home tab, go to layout. Okay, we put the title slide layout. Okay, and everything else is centered. Okay, so just double check, a title slide layout is applied. We done that. Okay, so we done that. The title and subtitle text are centered in the middle of the slide, and that's done as well. Okay, it's done by default anyway. We haven't done it, but yeah, by default it was already centered. All right, let's move to question 36. Save the presentation. Okay, just make sure your presentation is saved. Okay, obviously you need to make sure this is done regularly. Okay, wherever your work folder is, mine is here. Okay, just save it. Okay, and print the whole presentation as a handout with 2 slides to the page. So, and print this handout. Make sure your name, center number, and candidate number are on all slides. Okay, so we're gonna basically go to File, Print, and we want the 2 slides layout. think, yeah. Print the whole presentation as a handout with 2 slides to the page. Okay, so that's 2 slides per page. Okay, and make sure your name, center number, and candidate number are on all slides. Yep, and they are on all slides. Okay, obviously I'm not going to print this, and you will hit the print button to print your work and get your printout and put it together with the rest of your files, and that will be done with the presentation. Okay, obviously you got task 6, which is printing the evidence document, which you should be collecting the evidence as you're doing your work, and hopefully by the time you come to task 6, question 37, your evidence document should be ready and ready for printing. But just double check that you make sure you have entered your name, center number, and candidate number on your evidence document. Okay, so we are done with paper 2 for May-June 2019 paper, and so we will hopefully tackle another paper in another video. Okay, so remember this video have 3 parts. This is the 3rd one. We done the document creation in the first one, and database in the 2nd one, and this is the final one, the presentation. Okay, I hope this will be helpful for you, and good luck with your exam, and good luck with your preparation, and just keep practicing, and good luck.